Okay, watch this. I upload one photo of an influencer, hit generate, and boom. Professional product placement image in 5 seconds. Same photo, different button, and now we've got a full cinematic video in under a minute. I built this entire AI content factory in one afternoon, and honestly, it's kind of insane how powerful this is. And today, I'm going to show you how you can also create your AI automation, AI influencer app. So, let's dive in. So here's the thing. Now, if you're a content creator, an influencer, or you run a marketing agency, you know the pain. You need hundreds of images and videos every single month. And hiring photographers? That's easily $5,000 to $5,000 per shoot. Video production? Don't even get me started. But what if I told you that you could generate unlimited professional content from just one reference photo? That's exactly what we're building today. We're using the Higgsfield API. And the best part? The pricing is absolutely ridiculous. Before we dive in, you need to know about these offers because they're honestly too good. Right now, Higsfield is giving you a 25% lifetime, plus you get 200 free credits when you add your billing information. And this week, Nano Banana 2 is 50% off. Oh, and there's a 5% referral bonus that lasts forever. Okay, this is the Higsfield API dashboard. You need to create an account to move forward. I will put the link in the description. Once you are logged in, you will see this interface. The interface is super clean. You've got your projects, your usage stats, and everything you need right here. Now, the first thing we need is our API key. Click on API keys and hit Create API Key. Name the key and then click Create API Key. Copy this and save it somewhere secure. We're going to use this in our web app in just a minute. This one key gives you access to over 150 different AI models. It's pretty wild. Before we build anything, let me show you what these models can actually do. Let's go to the playground. First up, Nano Banana Pro. I'm going to upload this reference image of an influencer. Now watch what happens when I give it a prompt. Professional influencer holding a coffee cup in a modern cafe, product placement, Instagram aesthetic, natural lighting. Hit generate, and look at that. The consistency with the reference image is incredible. The lighting, the composition. This looks like a professional photo shoot. And it took what, 8 seconds? Now let's try VO 3.1 for video. I'm going to use this generated image as the first frame. My prompt. Camera slowly zooms in, influencer smiles and raises the cup. Smooth cinematic motion. This takes a bit longer, maybe 30 to 40 seconds. But watch this result.
This is the coffee that feels me amazing.
Okay, that camera movement? That's cinema quality. This is why VO 3.1 is so powerful. You're getting Hollywood-style camera motion and it's all AI generated. Quick detour, let's check the usage dashboard. You can see exactly how many credits each generation costs. Compared to other APIs, Higsfield is about 30% cheaper across the board. That adds up fast when you're generating hundreds of assets. Alright, now let's build this thing. I will use the Google AI Studio to build the app. You can use any Vibe coding app and N8N to build the workflow or app. This is my Google AI Studio homepage. Now, we have to come to the build page from here. Once you are on this page, you can change the Gemini model. I am going to select the Gemini 3 Pro model. Now we have to enter the prompt here in this box. I am entering a ready prompt. You will find my prompt in the description. You can use it or modify it as per your needs. After entering the prompt, I am just hitting the send button. And here you can see that the Google AI started building the app. The code is being written seamlessly, like a professional team is working tirelessly. As it will take some time to complete the process, I will fast forward the video. And here it is, you can see the app is ready and ready to work. Now it's time to try the app. First of all, you have to enter the API key. To do that, click here. Now we have to enter the credential. I am adding them from where I keep them. Add your own API key. Okay, we are done. Now let's generate the actual content using our app. Here you can notice 2 tabs, one for image generation and another for video generation. I am going to try the image generation first. Okay, now to generate images, we have to enter the reference image of our influencer. I am uploading a random image. After uploading the image, select the aspect ratio and image resolution from here. After that, we need to enter the text prompt. I am selecting a sample prompt from here about Influencer at a beach resort, sunset, vacation vibes, photorealistic. Once everything is set, hit the Generate Image button and then wait for some time. You can see the progress from here. And here it is, the image is ready. And you can see that it generates a really high-quality image with the same character I just uploaded to the app. And guess what? I really like this one. So, now we can generate consistent character images using our own AI. Now you can download the image, use it to generate a video, or even regenerate the image. So, our image generation model is working perfectly. Now let's try the video generation feature. I am coming to the video generation tab. Like the image generation, we need to upload the reference image. I am uploading the character image. Now I am entering a sample prompt about a businesswoman. After entering the prompt, you can set the duration, resolution, and other settings. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. Now the Nano Banana Pro will generate the image first, and the VO 3.1 will use the image as the first frame of the video, and then generate the final video. It will take some time. So, I am fast-forwarding the video. And here it is, the video is ready. And you can see that our app generates a high-quality video with my character. The motion, realism, character, and scene consistency is just perfect. Now, in this method, you can generate any kind of video using this app. So the app is fully functional and it's working fine. Now you can download the app, save it on your GitHub page, deploy it on Google Cloud, or even share it with your friends. So now using the Higgsfield API, you can create your own content creation automation tool. You can integrate all the popular image and video generator models inside your own app at a very reasonable price. And this is possible only with the Higgsfield API. So if you are a developer or AI content creator and want to build your own app, why not try this method and the Higgsfield API? The link will be in the description. If you want to see more AI automation tutorials like this, hit that subscribe button. I've got some crazy projects coming up. Now go build something awesome. I'll see you in the next one.